If you want to create a logo with Canva, it is the same easy steps. First, you just need to log in. So go to your browser and tap Canva, and then you go to Canva login. Then you click on the first link that appears for Canva. You'll go through the login process. Now mine automatically logs in because I was already using it. Now once you're here, you just want to come to the create design button, and then you're going to search logo. So if you type logo, you get the dimensions and the word logo here. So when you click on this, you're going to have a blank page here with the logo dimensions. So you can rename this file into a logo or my logo, just make it custom, something that you can remember easily. So once you're here, the first thing that you want to do after changing the name is selecting a template. Usually that's within the design section of Canva, so you can scroll through a lot of options here. Now remember that within the templates you have the free and the premium. Now the free ones don't have anything on them. The premium ones have this icon here, the pro icon. So choose one that you can use. If you're using a free account, you don't want to go with this because you'll not be able to export it. But if you have a pro account or a premium version of Canva, then you can use any of the given templates here. Now there are those templates that are easily editable, but there are those that have been designed in a way that you can only edit the text but you cannot edit the design. So let's pick one. For instance, let's say take something like this. Now if I click on the template here, it appears within my page. Now this is just like a letters overlapping, so it means I can change it. So instance, if I wanted to say something like Owtech solutions, I'll change that one O, edit this to S, something like that. Then I can edit this text and say Owtech, maybe solutions. Now that is as simple as that. Now the problem with this is that you'll find that so many people have used it, but if you just intend to create a basic logo for your page or your business, then this can work. So there are lots of options here. Now apart from changing the letters and the text overlay, you can change the color, the background color of this. So I can maybe opt to go to the color palette here and select either a solid color, a gradient, or enter specific color code here. For instance, if I have my specific color code that I want to enter there, then I just press enter, then it will appear in that background. Now you notice that it doesn't look so bad. If I want to extend this text here, the background, I just expand this a little bit so that the white part goes behind the entire text. I can also position this text by using the arrow keys until the place that I want it to be. If I do that, it will show me whether it's in the center, left, right. We can move it upwards. Now moving it with the arrow keys helps you put it at the exact position you want it, because with dragging and dropping it doesn't usually work perfectly. So I can move this with the arrow keys on my keyboard. If I want to add more text on this logo here, just tap on the text and either add a text box or choose the default text styles here, where I can add text within the page anywhere. So I don't want to add any of that, but I would do so, and maybe even just drag it to a position that I would like. So let's say just we want to say something like designing a logo, for instance, and I put it there. If I wanted more text on my design, the same thing with an image. If I want to add an image, I just tap upload and then add an image there. Now if I want to make this text a bit slightly like faded, I'll just click on it and then go to the more options and go to the transparency and drop that to something like 50%. But in most cases in logos you don't want to have a faded text. So this is just like by the way, something that you can do with your other designs. Now I can then download this design here. Remember I already named it, so I can just go to download and then scroll down to the download option. You notice I do not have any premium text or images on the my design, so I can easily just download it with my selected image or file type. Then I'll tap on download. This will download the file. Now in cases where you want to use your logo in a place where there is no you don't need the background, it is easy. So I'll use this tool called remove.bg for instance, and I'll press enter. Now this is a free image background remover if you are using a free Canva. So I'll upload my image, the one that I just downloaded, and then it will clear the background. In this case I think the color will also gone. Then I download this. Also it means I'll only have the text without the background. Then if I go to my downloads, I want to preview this file and see how it looks like, the one with the removed background. So you notice it is a very simple like logo for that your page. And remember that the background remover that I'm using is free only because I'm using free Canva. With the premium Canva, you can just automatically remove the background of your design. So that's just how you create your logo in Canva. And if you need more videos on Canva tutorials, there are links that are going to be attached on this. Once on Canva Magic and just the general Canva tutorial that you can try out sometime.